So this is the data given here. If 42, 35, 2x plus 10, 2x minus 8, 12, 11 and 6 are written in descending order. Okay, and their median is also given 25. So you have to find the value of x. So what you will do is very simple. None. What is coming yours? 16.5. Okay. 16.5 is coming. And you also tell your answer. Correct? So the answer is none. Okay, in this option, ABC is not there, so the answer is none. Sometimes it happens, the student also get confused, this answer might be from this. Sometimes it happens, but sometimes these options are also correct. None is there, this is also option. If your answer is not matching, that shows your confidence. If you have done your solution correctly, then you have a confidence. This is not matching, yes, this is the correct answer. Right, so what you have done, this is simply you have to find the average of the middle terms equals to this simple question. Okay. Acha, one question is there, I'm just only dictating this, so you can directly give the answers. Very simple, because these type questions we have already done. The mean of 9 number is 5. The mean of 9 number is 5. If 7 is added to each of them, if 7 is added to each of them, so new mean is 52. What I said that the mean of 9 number is 5. The mean of 9 number is 5. If 7 is added to each number, new mean is 52. How? If mean of it was 9 numbers. 9 numbers mean is 5. Okay, if 7 is added, we are adding 7 in each number. So what will be the new mean? 12, simple. We are adding. There are 9 observations that you have already learned. There are 9 observations and their mean is coming 5. If we are adding 7 to each observations, so what I said in the previous lecture, whatever operation we are doing with the observation, the same we have to do with the mean. Okay, so we are adding 5 to each observation, so we will add 7 to the mean also. So mean is 5, then 5 plus 7 is 12. Okay, so the answer is 12 is the new mean. Fine?
Can we not do like this? Like I'll find the mean of the 5 and find the sum, which will be 45, and I'll add 9 into 7, which is 63 in that sum, and divide by 5.
What first you are adding? You are finding sum.
Finding sum.
Okay, this is 9 into 5, that is 45. Okay, then
I'll find addition of sum, that would be 63.
63 how?
9 into 7.
This 9 into 7?
Yes.
Because 9 numbers are
that is also
not coming. 45 plus 63.
No, 9 into 7 we can't, because we don't know the observation. Observation might be different.
We know how much it will increase, no?
5, every observation is increasing 5. So how we can say it will be 63? 9 into 7 to 63 is coming their product. 5 we are increasing in each observation. Suppose observation are like x1, x2, like this x3 till x7, right? So these are 9 observations. 9 observations are there. So we are adding 5. So x1 plus 5. 5 we are adding. No, 7 we are adding. Because 5 is the mean of these 9 observations. So we are adding now 7 in each.
7 will come outside, no? In common. And some will be inside.
Some will be inside here.
Is there it will be?
So how we multiply this? 9th number of observations are there. Na? These are the sum of these observations. So sum is this one. This one is the sum. So 45 into 7 we will do. Okay. Then we will find this one. This will be the sum now of the new observation. Then number of observation will be like this. This is 9. upon number of observations. So so new mean will be,
sir, it will be 63. Just add x1 plus x2 plus x2 x3. It will be equals to 63.
this one is coming x9
Plus 63. 7 will not be outside.
No, I'm not getting this. I'm saying that this one, these are 9 observations, okay, and their mean is 5. So we have found their sum. 9 to 5 is 45. Now we are increasing every observation by 7. So now we are finding some x1 plus x2 like this till x9, okay. We are adding 7. So 7 we have taken common. So but x1 plus 1 will be there. 7 we are taking common. So x1 plus 1, x1 plus 2 like this. So we cannot do like this. Okay, so the simple thing is that only the same thing that we are adding with the observations, that the same thing we will add with the mean. So we can solve this with any examples. Suppose we have any data like suppose 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 terms we are taking. So first you find the mean of this. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 by 4. So it will be 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 4. It will be 2.5. Okay. These are the observations. Their mean is 2.5. If we are doing some operation with these, suppose we are adding 2 to each term. So we are adding 2 here. So 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 and 4 plus 2. Same observation 4. Okay, now find the sum. 3, 5, 7, 3, 10, 12, 14, 18. 18 by 4. 2 to the 4, 2, 9 is coming 4.5. Okay, so new mean is coming 4.5. So what is the difference in these two means? 2. So it means what? If we are adding 2 in each observation, so we are adding directly 2 with the previous mean. So we are getting that.
So like this only I was saying about the first one. How from that answer is not coming.
This is not coming.
Like here you did no? Like that we do answer is not coming. It will be 45 plus 63 by 9.
Some difference is coming. Try to do it again, okay? Same thing will become. I think some calculation mistake is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so try to solve it, the same answer will come. So this is a simple method. Okay, got it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you got it? Got it? Okay, now move to new question. Yes, it's a very good question. The arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean. Sometimes it's arithmetic or simple mean because
What is the meaning of arithmetic?
arithmetic, you know, the addition, subtraction. That is arithmetic. And there are some other means also that you will learn in your 11th class. That is the geometric mean and the harmonic mean. So that are the different terms. In your entrance, you will learn that things. In 10th class, I will tell you because in 10th class, there is a chapter that arithmetic progression. So in that chapter, you will learn all the progression. Okay. So here arithmetic means only the mean. Here we are considering. So the arithmetic mean of 7 numbers. The arithmetic mean of 7 numbers is 39. And the mean of 3 of them, mean of 3 of them is 27. The arithmetic mean of the other 4, you have to find this. The AM means arithmetic mean of the other 4 is option A 51, Option B is 48 and option C 39 and this one D is 33.
48.
48.
48, sure.
48.
How?
First we find 7 into 29.
Yes?
First we find 7 into 29. Then 3 into 27.
Yes.
Then we subtract it.
And
And
then
then divide by 4.
Okay, very good, mashallah. So the answer is 48. Okay, simple. Okay, write one question. The median of the prime numbers. Acha, you will do this, write this question, you will do this at home because it will take time to find the prime numbers. So you can do this. The median of the prime numbers between 50 and 100. Between 50 and 100 is, you have to find the prime number first. So options I am writing here. 50 to 100, you have to find the prime numbers between these. Then you have to find the median. So options are this one here, 68, 72, 71 and 73. So first you have to find the prime numbers. You can do this. You know prime numbers? So you can do this at home. Okay? We shall move to new question. Just only you have to find the prime numbers and only find the median. The only time taking is the finding of prime numbers. Okay, so next question is, for a certain moderately. Next question is, for a certain moderately skew distribution mean equals to 24.6 and median equals to 26.1, then its mode will be option A 1.5, 25.35, C is 29 and D is 50.7. So here in this question the answer may be vary in some points, but you find the answer by your formula. Okay?
so my answer is 29.
Exact 29?
Exact
29 is coming. Very fast you have calculated, mashallah. Is your also 29? You calculate. There is a relation between these terms. That is called the empirical formula, which showing the relation between mean, median and mode. So only just two values are given, you have to find the third values just by using that formula. So you remember that formula or not? Yes, what is the formula?
Mode is equals to 3 median.
Yes, simple.
minus 2.
Very good. Mode is equals to 3 median and minus 2 mean. So just remember this, and now by this find the value of mode. What is coming?
So 29.1.
29.1. So appropriate answer here
Yes, 29.
29. Let's come on more answer. 29.1. Okay, so the answer is C. So sometime this type of question from this formula is also asked. Okay. Okay, so now move to the next question. If AM means arithmetic mean of n observations, observations are, these are the arithmetic mean x1 comma x2, these are the observations. If arithmetic mean of n observations x1 comma x2 comma x3 dot 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 till xn is x bar, this is the mean of n observations. So now if x1 is replaced by x dash, comma, then find the new mean and find the new mean. So these are the options: x bar minus x1 minus x dash divided by n, x bar minus nx dash divided by n, then C n minus 1 x bar plus x dash upon n, and D is nx bar minus x1 plus x dash upon n.
Option
Which one is correct?